Choosing the right CMS can transform your operations. But how do you decide between enterprise-level solutions like SAP PM and specialist options like ManWinWin? Each serves distinct market segments with unique advantages. SAP PM is tailored for large-scale operations, integrating deeply with finance and procurement. In contrast, ManWinWin offers simplicity and agility, ideal for small to mid-sized companies seeking rapid deployment and ease of use. Implementing SAP PM is a complex endeavor, often requiring months of intricate configurations and extensive IT support. This complexity can be daunting for organizations without robust internal resources. ManWinWin, however, shines with its rapid deployment. Systems can go live in weeks, minimizing IT dependency and allowing teams to focus on effective maintenance data migration. Maintenance CMMS Time-to-Value (TTV) is crucial for operational efficiency. SAP PM's extended planning phases delay ROI, making it a long-term investment. ManWinWin offers immediate benefits with its fast deployment, providing a quicker ROI. This speed is a significant advantage for businesses needing rapid efficiency gains. Technician CMS user adoption rate hinges on usability. SAP PM's interface can be challenging, requiring extensive training and often leading to incomplete data entry. ManWinWin's intuitive design ensures minimal training and promotes instant data logging. This boosts user adoption and enhances the integrity of maintenance records. For mid-sized manufacturers, CMMS TCO is a critical factor. SAP PM's high initial costs and implementation overhead make it suitable only for the largest organizations. ManWinWin offers affordable licensing and lower TCO thanks to its minimal IT dependence. This makes it a perfect fit for budget-conscious mid-sized companies. In summary, SAP PM is ideal for large enterprises needing deep ERP integration. ManWinWin excels for small to mid-sized organizations, prioritizing speed, cost-effectiveness, and user adoption. Choose based on your organization's specific needs. By aligning your choice with operational priorities, you'll ensure a strategic fit that maximizes efficiency and value.